Check, check, 1, 2, 3, 4, maths it up. Alright. Let's take her up on our phone.
Sorry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kamisha, aka Alan's mommy. And today we're going to do a little fun trivia challenge with them two here. Brother CJ, sister Omani.
No, Auntie Omani.
Auntie Omani. So I have 12 questions here and they're going to choose the questions, give me back the paper. Read it sooner. When I tell me answer, I have 15 seconds to match up the answer. And the winner gets to choose something from the shop that they want. Yes. Yes. So we're ready. Let's shake it up. Hold on, let me get my timer. Cause you're not. Where's my phone? Oh, found it. Alright, hold on. Let me do this real quick, guys. Wow.
You're ready?
Anyways,
One nice son, who do that?
it's not me.
It's a rich.
What am I finding it? Alright, hold on.
What's it?
What?
How did those get dark?
Oh. Alright. Me tell us if to cut something? Alright. Shake it up. Johnny!
Why you have to go first?
Alright. First question. Which Jamaican artist sang the song One Love?
Back Marley.
Okay.
That is easy. That is easy. That's not fear. That's not easy.
Alright. What is the motto of St. Catherine High?
Oh. I had to work concrete.
They never know that.
One priestess, guys.
That's what I pronounce?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh shit.
Tell us if I open it.
No.
Name a fruit that starts with the letter J.
Jackfruit.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah. Very cute.
Come on, pick up. What is the national dish of Jamaica?
Dumpling.
Oh my god.
Yes, I don't think that.
It's Aki and salt.
Dumplings.
No, sir. All is serious.
Dumplings.
Come here. Do your pose.
Who is the host of Social House Jamaica?
Me
Who
can't
will
get that.
rule the social house?
Me can't get a question, eh?
No.
I don't know that. Get her.
If you answer it, you're not going to get the points, but you can't answer it.
Oh, rush cam.
Okay.
Who is Rush Cam?
You don't know Rush Cam?
Jesus. He live on the warrant. She a go.
I would Rakim live under because
Miss Lady a go.
who you don't know Rush Cam?
How many tips are that go?
Somebody record that record.
Where is CJ?
I don't want to see Johnny right now.
Show my name on the storage. What happened is?
What is
Listen.
it?
The opinion, man.
Alright, she's here stomping. So what's wrong? You angry?
Yeah.
And why are you angry? Anyways, say hi. Say hi, guys. Anyways,
I'll put in my turn.
come on. Let's read the next question. What year was your mother born?
Yeah!
1989.
Nope.
1949.
No.
Yo!
You know say?
Yeah, the
You know
49.
say? We're going to talk about that. Oh, I'm outside.
1949.
1979.
Alright, stop now.
Yeah, it's like it's everything with that.
1889. No?
Somebody kick over 100 years, brother.
1969.
You already time already gone. But yeah, in 1969 your mother born. No sir. Go for your toy already, so please. That one. The orange one. Wow. Wow, the girl don't know she her mother born. The girl said 98. Want juice? Go for one in the shop. 1 second.
I'm shame.
But I'm say young person know where we're born and you want to buy. But me know the bird,
You
but me know
know
when
say,
the
oh
born.
my god, the other day I have to use the calculator to figure it out. I have to subtract, I'm never know how much it is, but and how much we say 52.
Oh god. After that, I come to born.
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm going to calculate my figure 2023 minus 54.
Alright.
I don't know.
Your turn. Who was the first Prime Minister of Jamaica? Come on. Come on. You don't know who the first female Prime Minister of Jamaica?
Female.
Oh, no, it's a female?
No.
Alright, come start over. Who was the first female Prime Minister of Jamaica?
Me no know.
CJ.
Portia?
Yes. CJ.
Push the Prime Minister.
Jesus, yes.
Mama!
What?
Push the Prime Minister.
Alright. Who you think Portia is? Tell me.
I just want to remember. Yes, Prime Minister. You never know.
I'm done like rat, but
That's good.
No, sir. This is an interesting bottle. Come, mama. What parish is called the Breadbasket Parish? Father God. What parish is called the Breadbasket Parish?
St. Elizabeth.
Yes. Wow.
Look at the
So, let me tell you the scores right now. So we have CJ at 2 points, who don't know Sir Portia was the first female Prime Minister. And then we have Omani at 3 points, who don't know when our mother born. Let us continue. Because this is not safe. Please may I ask you to jump off that old stop. Thank you. Who sings the song Thunder? I think that this is gonna be easy. It's red.
Yeah, what two people?
When you next one, I didn't know what we do.
My main man says.
Who is the next one? 450. But CJ,
It's red.
yeah, little 1 point. Why you confiscating the baby jewels? What's up?
CJ rude.
Alright. Two more questions, and they're on a tie. They're tied right now. So let's see. Where did Adam and Eve live before they ate the apple?
The Garden of Eden.
When I said Jesus Christ, you need for God church. You need for God church and God Sunday school. Wow. Oh, 2 more. I did 3 leaves actually. Shh.
Child. What are you shouting?
Aww. None of y'all gonna get this. How many subscribers do I have? Are you requesting it? What you wishing for? Hey, put on that. Tick tock.
600. I think I 700. 700.
You're very ambitious. 566.
Did you read 600?
No. Guys, you need to subscribe. Like the video. Share the video so I can get to 700 as CJ so ambitiously said.
Oh, little girl.
Alright. Final question. Let's see. Smart, yes, smart. That one is easy thing. What is the 4th planet in our solar system? Fully done. Back at the question on the subject.
What?
No.
Earth.
We are not.
This is a minute question wrong.
Mercury.
No?
Mars.
Saturn.
Saturn.
Mars.
Saturn. Oh my god.
Venus.
CJ. Said him. CJ. Said him. Tell me planet him.
When we done do that in grade 6,
Mercury, Mars.
we never did that.
Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth.
Come on, you missed it a while ago.
No, Mercury.
Guys.
Yeah, Mercury at first one day. Look at what they ready for that. So you have Mars, or Venus. But I know show them come first.
When we done do that
Venus.
Venus was online. And I Google it.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto is no longer a planet.
Oh.
Look how long they must say Pluto is no longer a planet.
They say Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. We have 3.
Yes, we're the 3rd planet away from the sun.
See?
So Mars is the 4th planet, guys. Anyways, guys, clearly this is a damn pitney. I don't know nothing.
This shit was rigged.
So this was a fun video.
Maths question. If they ask maths question,
No, better, I would have still fear water. Water better. No, better you can't go with that.
Yes, the garbage truck. Anyways, so this was a very fun video to do. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you want to do more trivias, then just let me know down in the comments. And probably we can zone it down on just particular topics next time. So we have maths trivia, science trivia, you know, instead of just mix it up. But yeah, let me know. Remember to subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright? So until next time, bye kids!